let's see how quickly you can create a coding tutorial in Google Colab now. So you can click this Gemini, toggle Gemini, and you can say create a Python tutorial and send, and I can put this here on the side, and it will just start creating Python tutorial Google Colab notebook. I will accept and run everything, auto run, okay, and now it will just go. It has a plan. So this is really good if you like learning. You see, it's crazy. This is crazy. So if you like learning from Google Colab, but there is no notebook that you want to find, that you can find about your topic, you can just generate it here. You can also share this on YouTube. You can make YouTube videos like learn and record it on YouTube, or share these collabs onto GitHub or social media and stuff. I'm not sure why it's putting this here. I think it works still. Yeah, I don't know if this is a bug or it works, but even if it's a bug, it will be fixed soon by Google for sure. I think it works. It works. I think this is how it's supposed to work. Yeah. This is crazy. Look how fast it's creating this Python tutorial. And I can just read and learn. So you can create any type of tutorial. This is the best thing that ever happened to me, adding Gemini to the Google Colab. Look, this is so cool. I will be using this to make like a code transformer from scratch and try to train LLM. I'm gonna be doing that just now actually. After this video, I'm gonna make another video. This opens up so much possibilities because I was always copy pasting this stuff from what was it? From the like manually ChatGPT, Claude, whatever. Look at this simple plot curve. And it works, it's running everything. This is crazy good. This is the best thing ever, I swear. Next step, general code. So even if I press this, I'm not sure what would happen. Let me not interrupt my current thing that's going on. This is so cool, I can't believe actually. And it's almost gonna finish the task, but you see how much code it generated and it executed everything. This is the best thing ever. And then this is about object-oriented programming. I remember when I was learning this, it was so interesting. But now I learned this AI CUDA kernels. This is not so interesting. CUDA kernels, accessing memory, pointers in memory. It is what it is. Finished task, finished. This is the best thing ever. Gemini in Google Colab, this will make my life so much easier, so much faster, so much better. It will give me like 3x productivity. I don't need to copy paste back and forth, before, after, one by one. And it also sees the outputs here of these cells. So you can just continue now asking questions. Here I can just continue asking questions. It has everything. It has outputs, it has inputs, it has cell code. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Let me just press this, like, what does this do? I just like, I don't know what this does. Okay. Okay, let's, okay. That's gonna be it for this video, and see you next time.